Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing gear and making the first physical connections. Power everything off, then connect the mixer's main output to the audio interface input using the appropriate cable, USB-B if the mixer has native USB, or balanced TRS/RCA into the interface. Once done, set the mixer main fader to unity and lower channel gains to avoid clipping. Make sure the interface is still off or disconnected from the computer while wiring, because that prevents pops and potential damage. Now power the interface, then the mixer, and set up routing. Open your interface control panel or DAW and choose the input channel you connected. Set sample rate to 44, 1 or 48 kHz depending on your project. Adjust buffer size for acceptable latency, smaller for tracking, larger for mixing. If using condenser mics from the mixer, enable phantom power at the mixer, not the interface, unless the interface input supplies it. Make sure channel meters show signal without peaking as you raise gains slowly. Finish by confirming audio passes cleanly into your computer and records. Arm a track, make a test recording, and watch the meters. Aim for peaks near -6 dBFS. If levels are low, increase mixer trim first, then interface gain. If clipping occurs, reduce them. Once satisfied, save the interface and DAW settings as a preset. If you face hum or silence, troubleshoot by swapping cables, ensuring correct input selection, and trying a ground lift or die box to break ground loops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.